How do you live your life without income? Maybe if you are before 19 or 20, you are in your father's restaurant. So, sound is something funny, but this is the reality. So, after few years, you will get in your income. If you don't do that, every man push around you. Society will criticize you, and you don't proud of yourself at that time. You need to have multiple income stream, not multiple. You need to have slowly on only one income stream minimum. So without like one income stream you cannot be rich to buy that. So in this era your life would be hard if you don't make money from online, if you don't have multiple income stream. So how there is multiple income stream I will share with you today, that might be help you to gain financial freedom. So like you cannot get rich without income. So you cannot live your life without income. You need to do something for living life in this planet. So how do you do that? You have a lot of opportunity but you don't see those things. So how do you see that? You can see that through suffering. If you do suffering, if you like spend life valuable way, you will get those things. You will see what is like what is good for you, what is bad for you. So if you wanna make money from online, here is a couple of points that will help you to gain financial freedom if you are before 19, I would say. So free, no, not investment you need to do here. Just you need to first of all given time to them. Like I'm sharing with you, number one is airdrop. What is the airdrop? Airdrop is the thing that is the like when people launch their product, they give some product freely to their audience. You need to therefore follow their Twitter, follow their Instagram, follow their like follow their instructions, what they wanna do to you. So what they wanna do to do you. So airdrop, this is the like first income stream for you. If you are like I would say beginner, if you are beginner in online, if you haven't money, airdrop is the perfect for you because of they give freely to people, just need your time. So you need to invest time. It takes some time for gain income, but pretty amazing amount you will get. Like I see that a lot of people gain $2,000 $1,000 to doing your rope. So number two is if you have sales skill that will help you to gain financial freedom. It's either if you are on, if you do that on offline, you can do that. You see in your country a lot of people doing sale. They across around the street and selling something. Like they take something their shoulder, they like sell something to village people, to street people. And if you see supermarket, even where people sells a lot of product, like if you buy this t-shirt, they sells that they buy $1 sell $2 and $1 their profit, bam. So if you want to sell something on online, you need to have skills of sales. So how do you gain those skills? You can watch YouTube content and taking course or taking books. That's it. Number three, management. If you wanna do something that is offline management, like if you are, I would say, any grocery owner hire you and they pay you monthly, and therefore you need to do work for them, and they pay you like $10,000, something like that. Or you can do that as well on online. How do you do that? You can manage social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all social media. And you can be virtual assistant as well here, like pretty easy kind of thing. Yeah, and don't think easy, but you need to be, I would say, online thing is the harder than offline, I would say. So number 4 is content curation that I'm doing right now. You see me, and this is the pretty hard thing, I would say. It's you, maybe you feel that it's easy to do, but I'm just like curating video this way. But if you notice my channel, I haven't yet any subscriber. Why? Because it's hard, to gain subscriber, gain audience. So this fourth thing will help you to gain financial freedom if you follow those instructions. If you wanna um, if you wanna video any specific income stream that I shared with you today: sales, management, content creation, and airdrop. If you want any specific video, if you wanna know that, oh, what is the airdrop, please create a video. Please create a video that's full in airdrop in details. Please create a video that in details in sales. Please create a video that in details in management. Please create a video that in details in content creation. If you want any specific, any certain type of video, you can down comment, you can write down on comment of this video. So what should like, if you wanna make money through that, how, like, how to your mindset should be, your mindset need to change. You don't need to be like, uh, what you did earlier doesn't matter. You need to, when you try to do that I shared, airdrop, sales, managing conclusion, you need to change your mindset. Because of, it doesn't care who you are, it care what type of mindset you have, like how do you handle those things. Like, if you notice that other people hasn't this type of skill, because it's hard to gain, so you don't need to be like, I would say, cut out from your friend and practice those things that I shared with you. And ultimately, end of the day, you will see that you are a those guy. Keep in mind that. So world doesn't care who you are. World care who, how thing you have, how many skill you have, and that's it. Nothing else. And this world will push around you if you haven't money. If you ignore money, this world will push around you. You would be pushy guy, pushy. That is bullshit, people would say. So keep in mind, you need to be, end of the day, good man. Because of, without income you cannot live properly. And you need to do work, right, sooner or later. But you need to do. Why? Because of, world want to you value. So if you don't do work, you are something, you are toxic guy of this society, you are toxic guy of this world. So keep in mind, be something and be great. Don't, I recommend you that, live your life through like going to party, going enjoy. Never do that. Because of, I see that there is no value to them. You can just, it's the long, like I would say, it's a short enjoy. But if you wanna like longer happiness, you need to do suffering for that. World don't care you, world care what kind of valuable thing you have, you know what so this is the thing that will help you to gain financial freedom. So if you want any specific video about that I shared with you, among four thing, you can write down comment. I will create that video immediately next day. So please do comment, and see you later in the next video.